Hello friends, welcome back to ESL Drill. In previous videos, we discussed the zero conditional and the first conditional. And in today's video, let's discuss how to use the second conditional. The second conditional is also called an unreal conditional. It is because it expresses a condition that does not exist. And so the desired result, the result that we want to get, will not happen. And to put it in a simple way, we can say that the chances are far fewer when compared to the first conditional. We call the first conditional a probable conditional because there is a chance of the result happening. But here with the second conditional, the chances are far fewer. Now the basic structure of this second conditional is if, past, and would or could, sometimes should can be used. If, past tense, would or should. Here are a few example sentences. The first one, if I had a lot of money, I would buy a sports car. What does that mean? Let me repeat the sentence. If I had a lot of money, I would buy a sports car. It means I do not have a lot of money now, and so I can't buy a car. I'm just imagining a situation where I have a lot of money. I don't have it. Though the structure is in the past tense, it talks about the present tense and the present situation. The previous sentence can be said in this way too. Like, if I were rich, I would buy a sports car. If I were rich, I would buy a sports car. In informal English and in friendly situations, we use was instead of were. Now let's look at another example. If I knew her number, I would give you. It means I don't know her number, so I can't give you. The second conditional can also express a situation which is possible only in theory. Only in imagination, but not likely to happen. For example, if the Third World War broke out, it would be the end of the world. The Third World War is just a theoretical possibility, but it is not likely to happen now. Okay, that's it about the second conditional. Now I would like to give you two pairs of sentences. You try to use if conditional, the second conditional, and try to join them. Okay, the first one, I don't know how to use a computer. I cannot get a job easily. I don't know how to use a computer. I cannot get a job easily. Now how would you say this with second conditional? I hope you guessed it right. The answer is, if I knew how to use a computer, I could get a job easily. Or you can say, I would get a job easily. Let me repeat. If I knew how to use a computer, I could get a job easily, or I would get a job easily. And let's look at one more. She doesn't do her homework, so she can't get good marks. She doesn't do her homework, so she can't get good marks. How do you say this? I think you have guessed it correctly. The answer is, if she did her homework, she could get good marks. Or you can say, if she did her homework, she would get good marks. I hope you have done very well with the exercise. Thank you very much for watching. If there is anything that you would like to ask, do that in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.